Ngayon yan lang pinalitan niya.
Kanina pa to. Kanina pa to. Kanina pa to. Bakat may wallpaper.
Magkano ka ba isang araw?
Gabi pa naman yun. We're so lucky! Saan kami? Dance lang.
Kahit na ang sulit mo, kahit di gawin ang kawalis, ika'y inugulit ko. I tried to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share the set that I like it. I'll give you the last bite.
Pogi, sige na.
Sarili siyang filter and spotlight. Promise.
Wait lang, i-off ko lang yung radio, ha?
Boss, sobrang pogi mo para ka may sariling filter and spotlight.
Uy, hindi totoo yun.
Hindi pala low-key lang, low-key lang.
4.6k
Ang pogi ni Bossing, grabe. Hi!
We're so lucky!
Boss Junjun. Hoy, ang pogi ni Junjun.
Malaki!
Doon ako pinakakinilig.
Wala ko yan.
Say hi to Jay.
Hi, Jane! Why are you not here?
Di ba?
Ay, si Ate Chikso.
Hi, kasi naman, bakit kasi kayo umuwi na maaga? Ba't umuwi na maaga? Apak-lamak na kami ka.
Okay, sige.
Bakit tense ka? Tatlo. Oy, guys. Guys, tense kayo? Padamay tayo. Oy, hey.
Dance lot! Dance lot! Dance lot!
Kasama wala pa.
Papicture naman nung telephone mo.
Oh my God, Not! Not is here! Yeah! 100%, bro! Where are you going? You wanna eat? Where are you going? You're hungry?
Thank you.
Let's go. You guys wanna go somewhere? Do you guys wanna eat somewhere? Are you gonna treat us home?
Are you gonna treat us?
I'll treat you guys.
Oh my God!
Where? Where though?
Where with you?
Daddy's home. Kantahan niyo naman ako.
Wala kang support! Saan ba? Pogi, saan ka ba-board?
Ayun, daming tao. Big.
Ilan po sa inyo? Parang sa amin kayo sasabay? Oo. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, guys. Sabi nila para daw akong anghel. Uy!
Okay na, 7 stop na. Ay, 7 daw.
Ang OA.
Sana lang na.
Hindi kayo gaganyan. Grabe naman yung ilaw dito. Sobrang... Grabe yung ilaw. Halatang yung ano ko, yung...
Gawa tayo GC. Oo yan, may GC na agad. Ano? At team ko yan. Ganun.
Madaling araw, team po yan.
Team up.
Kita-kita yung mga chismis ko dito. Kita-kita yung ilaw. Ay, andyan pala kayo. Where do you guys wanna go?
Team bless tayo.
Tangina FB10 daw.
Nawala rin lasing ko eh.
Wala na tulog-tulog. Hindi na matutulog diretso uwi na.
Do you guys wanna go eat somewhere? Where do you wanna eat?
Ay, ready mo na eat daw. Oh, convoy. Convoy na lang.
May carton ka.
Ay, may motor ka. May motor. Nakakas niya ako.
5.4k viewers! Kuya! Kuya, mag-hi ka naman! Sinisita mo kami! Si Kuya na nang sisita.
Alis na kami, kuya. Thank you. Magsasanggap kami, kuya. Thank you. Siluan tayo.
Not! You wanna come right with us? Eros! Dito ka na lang sa likod. Say hi, guys! Saan kayo?
Asa ba yung parking? Asa yung parking mo? Huwag mo alalahanin yung parking. Nawawalan yung parking mo. Makakasakay. Okay lang ba going to sit?
Uy, alam niyo ba? Secret!
Ano ba yun? Not come here.
Saan kayo kakain? I wanna eat with you guys. Ow! Alam niyo yung ano? Alam niyo yung Canto Freestyle? Canto Freestyle. BGC.
Ano yun? Para
Go,
sa tao.
go there now.
Guys! Oh my God!
Huwag niyo ikalat.
Alam niyo yung ano? Alam niyo yung
Nakalive ka na yun.
Nakalive na boss.
Ay, wala kayo narinig. Mute. Ay, narinig na nila. Marinig guys. Muna namin guys.
Wala namang tao nanonood.
Ang dami.
Daddy's home. Canto Freestyle BGC.
Let's eat now. Let's eat.
I'm gonna treat you guys. Go there.
Anyong. We have not here.
Yeah, we have not.
Oh my God! Passenger princess!
Not here to just I'll get your bag. Evan mo na guys? No.
Not. Are you ready to scream?
Di ako passenger princess.
Yeah. Yung paper goes by. Ayun yun.
No, not in the Burgos, ha? The... Ako na mag-ano.
Boss, mas malapit tayo sa mga
Kanto freestyle, dun sa may malapit sa football field.
Makati po. Saan po dito?
BGC na lang mas malapit kami sa ano. BGC.
Okay, sama kayo. Ayan o, wala alcohol. Oh, ayan, ang dami pa nila.
Holy water.
Hello everyone.
Going to eat.
O sige, ilabas yung kamay.
B, let's go. Not, are you ready to scream?
I'm gonna die!
Let's go. See you there.
Ate!
See you there. Kaya pa ba ng isang tao dito?
No na. Isa pa?
No na? No na. Guys, ano, Makati? Or...
No, BGC.
Guys, ang tawag doon?
Ako na magsabi.
Sabihin mo.
Guys, if you wanna go...
Where's my phone? Annyeong! We're gonna go to Kanto Freestyle. Oh my God, si ano to? Si Brave Designer Folk.
Dadaminin tayo doon.
Designer Folk.
Designer, halika dito.
Designer Folk! Say hi!
Ice! Ice!
Right then I look and I'm frozen and that's right. Ayan, mga bata ko, hindi alam.
Sorry, timbahan. Tingit na sila. Mga kayo ako eh. Ibabash lang.
Huy, 6.1 thousand. Ayan yung mga mayayabang.
Tulog na po kayo. Guys, wag umuwi agad. Busog na kami, kakain pa kami.
Ay, busog na kayo. O, wag na kami lang kayo.
Busog pa kami. Kakain pa ulit tayo. Kakain ulit.
Okay. Okay na ka. We're going on a trip. On a favorite rocket trip.
Strawberries and cigarettes.
We're going to eat. So, see you. BGC, Temporado. See you guys. Ay, sunod kayo ha.
Promise. Dandahan lang po ah.
Not, are you ready to scream?
Not good luck! Not good luck! Ito yung ano, dapat kayo mag...
Not, you want to hold this.
Did she drive? Will she get banned?
Because you guys, love is blind.
Please po! Please go! Please go!
Guys,
Promise go!
sunod kayo ha. Hindi ako tumitingin dito kasi hindi ko ang
Ang galang yung sasakyan.
sabihin na lang ang terms na bloom.
Passenger princess.
Guys, hindi na kayo sumunod. Hoy! Hindi sa snob kayo ha! Hindi ko kasi angle to eh. Pasensya na. Kahit hindi na kayo sumunod.
Kanto freestyle, guys.
Ay! Ang ingay! See you later! I love you! Ang ganda nito.
Bye guys!
What's your bed? I hope. Go on!
Oh my God! Hello! Charlotte Live. I love it here in Ramdam.
Pag sa likod pala, no?
Not, are you okay?
Sorry, not. Okay,
It's
I'm
okay.
gonna chill now. I'm gonna chill now. So, how's life?
I'm okay.
Are you with us?
Yes, of course.
Oh, are you live?
Wala siyang choice.
Should I
You
close?
might get banned.
Should I close the live?
Wait. Are you on the live? The live! Hello!
Get banned.
Don't
Is that
show her
okay?
lang ha. Don't show
Yeah,
her.
just don't show me.
Should I put the green screen?
Maybe.
Ayan.
But you need to choose a photo.
But when you went live, right? Last time. You didn't get banned. That's okay na.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay na.
Not, you should learn how to speak Tagalog,
Ang
okay?
hirap naman.
Okay po.
Okay po.
Okay. You know the rap, di ba? Yo! Oh,
Hindi mapalagay.
ang mga puso ka. Ang ganda nga ng kamay.
Uy.
Where is Kiki?
Kiki went home.
Really? Going home na.
Kidnap not! This is the project Kidnap not!
Sorry na
Slay.
God! How's Philippines so far?
I'm loving it.
You will... You should love Philippines, anak ha?
Of course.
Speechless si Bading.
We will tour you!
We tour you. We tour you in J. Bazal.
JP Rizal, Rizal, and also in Marikina.
You want flood? I give you flood.
You want floods? Any disasters? Not you okay, ha?
Okay.
We have floods, volcano eruptions.
Oh, in Singapore, there's no flood.
Oh, there's no flood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should welcome not with so much flood.
Let's go. Let's go.
Right then I'll look with the mountain and
Laksan mo.
oh, breath! Maharanain kita. Saan tayo mapunta? O di ba tayo? How many viewers?
6.2.
Oh, so little! Just kidding naman. So many. Very many. How many? Are you Filipino? Are you Filipino?
English only. Comments on show.
Oh my God, so many English. So cute note, they said.
Dahil po.
Very pogi.
Hoy, CEO, mag-ingat mag-drive. Okay na. Okay na.
Rat, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Rat, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Okay, she's not okay.
Just say, just speak in English so that
Okay, let's speak in English.
I told you to learn how to speak Tagalog. Yeah, you should. Ano, she entered the Philippines.
It's so difficult.
Stay here, bro.
24.
Whoa! For real? I didn't see that. Okay, naka. No,
alcohol.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll save you, bro. I'm good with alcohol. You know? You just wash your hands. Wash your hands. You wash your hands, you know? Just kidding na ha.
Aranahin kita. Tayong magkita. Hindi ko kailangan.
forget the stone. I forgot the name of the restaurant, but it's the same mall as Cow Manila.
Is it good? Not this year.
It's good.
You know, every time there are like visitors here in Manila, I like
know.
Curse word.
Wait, she gonna get banned.
Oh, really?
I'm scared she get banned. I think they know.
Okay, just say, oh shit, ang ganda ni Chance. Ay, how do you say that in Chinese? Oh wait, you speak in Chinese, right?
Yeah.
Wait, you live in Singapore, but you speak in Chinese?
We speak English, Chinese, Malay, everything.
Really?
Yeah, it's a multiracial country.
Wait, so good night. Wait, where were you born?
Singapore.
Ah, really?
You thought I was Thai?
No, I thought you were. Oh, yeah, I kind of thought you were Thai.
No, I learned Thai.
Oh,
Okay, go get that.
why are you always in Thailand? Is it because of NASA?
No,
Or-
because all my friends are there also.
Really?
Yeah.
You have a lot of friends in Thailand?
Okay,
Yeah.
you have to stay here in Philippines
I
because
don't
you
have
have us.
friends. I don't have friends in Thailand.
Let me know where you go. You know
I
Sue?
usually where do you usually go?
Nakago.
I think
Wala, here lang sa Philippines. Ikaw
in
yung
Thailand.
gala eh.
Where do we usually go in Thailand?
Only in Bangkok.
Yeah,
Just
just
in Bangkok.
yeah.
Meetings and
I mean, you guys almost went everywhere already.
Yeah, when we went there, we actually got bored. Because we usually just go to like coffee shops and museums.
There's so much
What
good
else?
food. Night markets.
Yeah, we went.
Judge.
Did we go to?
No, not yet. No, not yet. No.
There's 2 job fair. There's 2.
We tried to go to Chod Fairs, but
But
when
it
we
was
went
closed.
there, it was closed.
Eh?
Yeah.
Around 1
One-
a.m. I think.
Yeah, they close around 1 a.m.
I thought they closed at around like 4 a.m. or 5.
Kung saan yung may temporado.
Ah, okay.
Tapos pupunta yung iba doon. Chatuchak is also open but only on weekends.
Yeah. Do you always go there?
Yeah.
Thailand?
I always go there.
Yeah, you have a lot of friends there, right?
I have a gay friend there who's also Filipino.
Yeah, I saw.
Dude, if you guys meet him, you will love him.
Where is he?
Thailand. He's studying
he's
there.
in Thailand? Who? Really?
Baby, my friend.
안녕하세요. Oh, my GF. Oh, what? Sorry.
Not. Go read the comments.
Someone said does not have a girlfriend.
Huh?
Someone asked if I have a girlfriend.
Do you?
I'll go. Do you have girlfriend?
Ako single po.
Where is Nessa daw? Nessa is
Where's
home.
Nessa?
Where is Nessa?
Home.
Already home.
Single palagi not.
But I'm hungry. That's why I don't want to go home.
Let's go eat.
Yo.
Alam mo,
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna treat them
Thank
food. So thank you for that. Till when are you gonna stay here?
24.
Damn, that's long.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to a fan meet.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Nessa should come too.
She's going home on the
If
18th.
she'll be able to go there.
I told her to come.
Right, turn
I
right.
don't know if she's
And then turn right. Alam mo na kung saan tayo magpapark ha?
no. I hope she stays.
I think she has work though.
She has work.
I think so. If I'm not wrong.
Wala na yung walk movie.
Okay.
Left na ka.
Okay.
And then turn left na ka. Not what are they saying? Comment section. Comment section.
Where are we going? We're going to eat.
Yeah, we are going to Canto Crystal.
It's here.
It's a breakfast meal for not.
Here. It's here. Ay, tang ina, sarado? Or
Eh, close.
no? No,
Ay,
no.
open. Ay,
Can you ask if we can park here?
check lang.
Close. Look,
Really?
Look, oh.
Maybe we can eat there sa Angel's Pizza.
Angel's Pizza na lang.
Can you try to ask?
Wait,
Or maybe go to Bob.
Wait.
Bob, go to ba yun? Go to Bob para pares. Pero sinabi natin sa mga tao na we're gonna go here.
Sino ba yung mga yun? Hindi kilala.
You mean go out?
Ano lang tayo sa Angel's Pizza?
Yeah, we can eat there.
We'll eat.
Seryoso,
You want me to
close?
move? Oh, close.
You want me to... 안녕하세요. Go to Tendon. Am I cute?
Sarado yung Canto Crystal. Pag-park na dito.
Can you ask if we can park here? Thank you for that. Because I'm gonna treat them. So thank you for treating us some food. Ang tigas na ng ano ko, ng buhok ko, babe.
May kasalanan.
Guys, kanina ang dami nagpo-picture sa akin, kamo.
No, B.
Grabe, ang dami nagpo-picture. Feeling ko ang artista ko talaga.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm so happy. I wanna take photos with everyone. Kahit na ang haggard ko na, bahala na. Sana talaga may picture, may filter lahat ng nagpa-picture. Ha? What?
You can park dito sa side. Pero, if dumating yung marshal, you have to park inside the Avida.
Okay.
Okay?
So, close yung Canto Freestyle.
Angel's Pizza.
Okay, Angel's Pizza na
Move
lang.
tayo para alam naman ng mga pupunta
Okay,
dito.
can you, ano?
Andyan! Ang ilaw. Not, come here. Doon sa other side, ah.
Doon?
Annyeong! Ang pogi nila. Not fit check. Fit check.
I'm wearing Crocs.
Why are you on Crocs?
I gave my shoe to Nessa to wear.
Because she had crumbs.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Are you happy?
Of course.
Let's wait for Jancy. That's enough. Okay na. Tuturutut. Tingnan natin kung smooth. Tada! Okay na. I miss you po. Charlotte, yung phone. Ang ingay naman ito. Ang baho. Amoy ano na ako. Tambutso. Pagbuksan natin si Miss Lou.
Lalabas yung bag ni Beyonce.
Yung susi ko.
Tapos dito sa likod.
Ano sa'yo? Yung susi?
Andito, B. Anong kukunin mo?
Susi. For this. For the car.
Hindi ko ba nilagay dyan? Pa-car wash mo na lang to, te.
Wala dito.
Hindi, nandyan nata sa likod.
Ha?
Ako maghahanap. Hawakan nyo to. Pasok na kayo sa loob, tapos order na kayo. Pupunta ba yung mga yon?
I don't know.
Lalabsog.
Here. Grabe naman yung filter nito. Huwag mo naman ako itimbog, B. No, walang filter yan.
Guys, we have, new,
Okay, we're gonna eat.
oh, token. Oh, token. Hello po.
Ano gusto mo po?
There?
Sabi na lang.
Okay.
Tapos ipag-tip mo na.
Here po.
How many? Okay.
Baka mga ano kami, 15. Hi, Not. Do you think they will arrive? Oh, are you not?
What's with you? In the hotel.
Where are you staying? Ay, sorry. Hi, Naka. No speak English today.
Kain tayo po.
Kain tayo po.
Hi, Naka. 3 a.m. na, nakakahiya matulog.
Simbang gabi na ako, no?
Simbang gabi.
Not
Hi, guys.
Simbang gabi.
I'm with Not. Look at.
Church every 4
every night.
Why?
That's simbang gabi. Church at night.
Kumusta po? I'm okay.
And if you finish the church for 15 days, you can have one wish.
Oh my god.
That's
Not you say Miss Lupa Utang.
Miss Lu, pautang po.
Uy. Uy. Did I do something wrong a while ago?
No?
Did you do something wrong earlier?
Wait.
Really? Trust.
Oh, hindi na ako nakamute. Oh, ayan na, hindi na nakamute. Ang kiklingi nyo naman.
What do you guys? Let's treat not let's order the best
Are you okay now?
pizza.
Hi. Note and me in one frame. Anin na ka. And gutom na ka.
Hindi pa kumakain 24
Di pa
hours.
ako kumakain. Ako na. Not water mo daw ang Coke. Ay, tumigil. Guys, tumigil kayo. Huwag niyo kong i-ship para hindi tayo matimbog. Susutin ko kayo. Sige. It's 3:22.
Miss Lu guapa po.
Hi guys. We're here.
Sino naka-live? Baka naka-live ba kayo?
Yeah, naka-live kami. Why? Chismis? Wait.
Chismis.
Guys, wag niyo akong i-ship. Sige, susuntukin ko kayo. Para hindi tayo matimbog dito.
Parang first bed. Actually, first bed.
What do you guys want? What's your favorite pizza here? Huh? Okay, two spinach and then what else? What do you want? Alam mo, gusto ko yung barbecue dito eh. Barbecue. And then,
Family size.
yeah. And
Ito lang yun ah.
ito yun, yung all-meat Texas.
All Miss Texas.
Tapos, garlic.
Order tayo.
Maybe we could order this one. Okay. One sushi.
Oh, final answer, wait lang.
Okay.
One surgery.
Puta po. Puta.
Filter po.
Thank you.
Behin.
She said, I hope you like this shirt. If you see.
The all-meat Texas. And then,
Because we bought like a shirt for Chloe.
Ah,
Yeah.
anong bago? Mexican. Nanay.
If you want to,
Drinks. Thank you, Christina.
not, you want some dessert?
Sure.
You wanna try everything here on the menu?
We have sabakon yellow.
Let's order everything.
Okay.
This one, this one, this one.
For not.
Yeah.
Uy.
Some pasta.
it's okay, Naka.
in-order niya, guys. Hi, Mape.
Mape!
Card ko. Is it with you? Card. Card ko. Hi. Look, I have new stuff here. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
We're gonna eat pizza because this is the only restaurant that's open right now.
You go with them or you go with me?
Hindi para makik tayo dito, Bi. Kumalma ka dyan.
We're kaibigan. We're friends. Kaibigan? Kaibigan. No, it's kaibigan. Not kaibigan. It's kaibigan. Friends. Not lovers.
Boss pa headlock daw.
Ano yun? I'm so lucky today, you know?
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very
With
happy.
boss?
You're so foggy, you don't need filter.
It's so pogi, no?
Yes. Pero you don't need to be insecure.
No! It's pogi.
Yes.
You're so fast. Boss dati sa Bangkok. Guys, Nakamute ba ako? No. No. Hi, Not. Are you happy, Not?
I forgot the word. Masaya ako.
Masaya ako.
Masaya ako.
Guys, stop shipping. Sige, go. Ma-i-end tong live. Sige, gusto nyo yun. Tumigil kayo. Stop. Stop. Galing ni Not magtagalog. Tuturuan ko si Not magtagalog.
It's 3:32 a.m. Napindot si Anger.
Who? Laruan nyo na lang magtagalog, Miss Lo. Ayoko.
Sino po?
Dapat daw marunong ka mag-Tagalog. Ay, gagi. Nakuha na lang.
Ay, andyan kayo? Ay,
Nandun pala kayo? Oh my God. Yan.
Hala, otoke ang dami, guys.
ay, kulang yung order.
May dami na alam mo.
Sorry kami guys. Sorry.
I'm not gonna move yan.
Hala, ba't andito kayo?
Boss, congrats sa mga collection mo. Sold out ako.
Eros, orderan mo sila. Same ng order natin.
Ano madami yun? 4 na pizza yun.
2 na lang sa kanila.
Besog ka dito. May nakaupo yung iba. Ano yun? Uy, sobrang pogi. Ito yung iba para makaupo. Guys, may space pa ba dyan? Hindi na kaya. The right Wesley. I don't know Bisaya. Okay lang ako po. Sawadika.
I'm gonna translate. Birthday ng dad mo. Gusto mo ba may halata?
Cute. Cute.
They're asking, are you feeling not?
Uy, sobrang pogi.
She's so super
Sobrang pogi.
Bakit naman kinikili? Ay! Uy! Nandito po kami. Mamaya na yan. Eros, look! I have to stop.
You guys want me to die? I think it's really wants to. Maganda po.
Who's maganda? Who's maganda? Her? Ano mo?
Namamasko.
Namamas ko po. It's like saying Merry Christmas. Hoy, bumibingo tayo ngayon, guys. Yeah, it's like an expression. No, it's a expression. I don't know how to explain, but it's an expression. Crush ka na daw niya. Ayaw niya. May magpaalam mo na kay Kailan. Okay na namin.
Uy, parang I cannot drive na. I wanna check in sa Holiday Inn. I'm kinda drunk.
Ikaw na matutulog.
Guys, matulog na kayo. 3.7k. Okay? Huwag hanapin ng wala. Blue, nice wallpaper. Yeah, here's my wallpaper.
Power of attorney. Sa akin mapapasa lahat ng mga kayamanan.
Okay na po. Hindi. Yun ang pinakamaganda. Yun ang pinakamagandang case.
Pwede mo mag-practice muna.
Uy, sa kamay. Ba't siya to? Papatat ko pa.
Sinapin mo yung kain. Akin din.
Ay, sayang. Ayun.
No, it's okay. It's
Sa
okay.
loob na lang. Para hindi halata.
Gusto mo sa noo?
Pero meron na kami pa. Papatato daw po.
I'm so sleepy.
Thank you.
Hi, Luha love you and Alexa. Wow, thank you. Thank you, Naka.
Makakapagod tayo ngayon.
Ang cute!
Charlotte is left-handed now. Is Miss Lo English cheaper? Yeah.
Ano dito?
Jowa.
Ayun mo lang akong mahal.
Mahal ka na.
Ayun mo lang akong minahal.
Jowa.
Mika. Mika mine.
Mika mine.
Ayan. Hello, boss. Pero mas mahal niyo ito. Ako yan. Ako yan.
Hi, Angel.
Uy, isang man si Ninang Rai.
Parker yung
Who?
Parker niyo.
Ninang
Namumura.
Who's that?
Hindi.
Who's Ninang Rai?
Hindi mo kayo ito. Hindi permanent. Tingnan mo na.
Miss Lu. Hi, Kenzie.
Ninang Rai.
Who's Ninang? Uy, tumahimik kayo. Susuntukin ko kayo.
Ninong Rai.
Quiet. Huwag kayong magganyan-ganyan dito sa comments. Stop.
Hindi permanent.
What's that?
Dito mo kasama yung permanent yan.
I look so happy.
Permanent na ba yan? Hindi, tutuyo lang. Kahit matuyo.
Ba't ka kinikilig?
Hindi talaga.
What's that?
Pero nice.
Is that Mensa?
Maging mabait po.
Madulas lahat eh. Mamabura lang, sayang.
Ibenta kaya kay Bastoyo.
Alam mo, kasi ibibenta daw.
Ay, no.
Ako na bibili.
Not is here.
Show your jowa again.
Oh,
They asked me to show my jowa.
Kanina to? Ano name mo?
may kaya ka ba?
Kanya? Hana? Chandra?
She's from me, from B.
Oopsies. Sorry po.
Where is Nessa?
Nessa. Nessa matulog po.
Ouch.
Sorry po.
Pila ka na. They're telling you to line up.
Line up where?
Line up where? Where burger na. At the back. At the back of what?
Where? Like, oh, with Mika.
Okay, okay. Queen, as in Laki na. The fans line.
Mine Mika.
Ganap na ganap. Hoy! Inaaway nila ako. Ganap daw ako.
Guys, wag nyo namang awayan. Awayan nyo pa.
Grabe, nagta-translate lang ako.
Wag nyo awayin.
Inaaway nila ako.
Go, awayin nyo pa.
Not they're being mean at me.
Maging mabait po.
Oh, nice one. Slay, slay, slay.
Ayun naman pala.
Cup na lang.
Ayun mo lang. Siya. Ayun. Kapag naging fans.
Nessa is ano na?
Nabubura sa akin.
She's not left-handed.
Hindi. Nabubura na siya, promise. Nabubura talaga. Nabubura talaga sa akin.
Hindi po. I haven't seen Mika in person.
Ang cute! Baby Nessa is so pretty.
My favorite Tagalog word, masakit.
Grabe yung sakit. Hindi ko rin sure na rin sa parents.
Gusto niyo sa inyo na lang.
Yeah.
Pero pipicture ko guys.
Wag na. Okay lang.
Ang haggard ko na ngayon.
Yes, sige. Sa inyo na lang po.
Oh, thank you!
Bilag ni si.
Masakit likod ko.
You're asking how was the ride with dancing?
I love it. The ride was slay.
You're saying cute ni CEO left-handed. It's right-handed. It's right-handed. It's right.
Janay.
He looks scared, not? There's like,
I look scared.
not scared. I don't have a paper. Can you sign this instead? Pwede pa sa pan?
Po. Yeah guys, I saw Ate Noni Lee. Guys, maging mabait po.
Boss, can you sign this instead?
Hello. Hi, you're so pretty.
I'm not gonna spend it. It's okay.
What do I think of her? Pogi. Sobrang pogi. Sobrang maganda.
What's your name? Jessica.
Guys, hindi niya gagastusin yung pera.
Thank you.
Nababan ba?
Para sa akin lang.
Why? Why me? It's not me on the picture.
It's
my girl.
It's your loved one.
Hot, hot.
How hot? Wait.
Bago pa makuha mo na naman eh. Ako kinuha mo na daw yung kanina.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
Why?
What's your name? Jason. Jason.
Just a video or video na lang.
Boss, dito daw po.
Sa pants na talaga. Yun na talaga yun.
Are you guys
I'm looking at you guys. Okay lang ako po.
How are you daw, no? Sabi nila.
Okay lang ako po. Press 1 if Ate Lu maganda po. Press 1. Thank you, Mosen. Press 1. Press 1 if Pogi. Pogi.
Guys, eat na tayo. I'm hungry.
Oh, anything is fine.
You should try this. This is cheap.
Thank you.
Guys, get what do you want?
May ketchup. No one. Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Yeah. Just like hot sauce.
I will die. I cannot.
Don't like spicy.
I'm okay with it, but I try not to eat.
Is that the hot sauce? Inaaway ka na ako. They're giving me a warning because I'm too close to it.
Ano yung pangalan ng ano? Natumbak na siya.
Bingo ka na daw. May alarm na! May pasok na! Shower na! Kailangan nyo mag-work para may tama
Guys, we're in Magdate. Sino may gusto nito?
Ah,
Order ba kayo? Within? Walang may gusto? Akin na lang. Barbecue. Ang dami ko na
Sino wala pa?
Sinong katabi mo dyan? May chicks ka dyan na. Parang may chicks ka dyan. Order ka pa! Kung ano gusto nila, orderin nyo lang.
ah. Sorry guys. Sorry.
Isa pang pizza.
You want pizza?
Alam mo, mas masarap yung temporada.
Sorry na.
Parang gusto nyo na makita yung tamburado. Walang pano.
Ang arte si boss pa. Ako na nga nandito eh.
Iba to, yung big soup.
Yan na lang kasi.
Isang peanut, isang ano ba?
Tama ka na, kumain ka na.
Tama na pa yung pag-sensor.
Na-in-love na ako.
Wala kasing gumagawa eh.
Ala, let's go.
Eh! Meron pa pala! Huwag na! Not you want this one. It's called sushi baked pizza. Wanna try?
You're so thin.
I think it's a little bit spicy.
Yeah, it's
You're so thin.
It's a little bit spicy.
ay, grabe na talaga siya.
Baka sabihin nila sa'yo. Ayun pala.
Oh my God. Pero tatlo ka rin.
See? Tingnan kami.
What? Ganyan?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ah, meron ka rin. Ito.
Guys, no, why are you not getting chicken?
This spicy.
This
No,
is not spicy.
sakto lang.
Get this one.
Not so spicy. Go. Not. Eat more.
Thank you. What does it say?
Sabi nila, Tagalog ko daw. Ganun talaga.
Ang sarap nito.
Ano ganito na yun?
Tapos na yung event eh.
Kaya siguro ako mag-labit ng malas. Okay. Natin kain. No?
Chicken. Okay. Say, ay, wag yan. Ito. Are you okay? You like it?
What's that?
All the dessert, give it to her. Him.
Oh my god.
Try everything.
You should gain weight before you go back to Singapore.
Try it first. I want you to try it. This is some Filipino dessert. You're a visitor. I want to treat you well.
You're a guest.
Tell me when you go to Singapore.
A guest of honor.
What is it called?
Huh? It's called sabaconielo. In English, banana in ice. In ice with ice under ice. You should mix it.
Sweetened banana with an ice.
Mix it.
Mix with an
Yeah.
What flavor do you want, guys? Ay, ba't ba English? Anong gusto niyong ano?
Without the other.
Flavor.
You know what halo-halo is?
No red horse. Tama na yung inom, guys.
Yeah? Really?
After this,
Pinawarning.
I'm going to go to the gym.
The halo-halo is like this one but mixed with like ube, like
Sorry, guys. Huwag nyo nang
halo-halo
i-SR.
in English literally translate to mix.
Yeah, I drink.
I think you heard it.
I can't eat that with you.
No. Not here. Panghi naman.
It's not like you like it.
I wouldn't get it again.
Yeah. I feel like it's because you didn't mix it very well.
Is it too sweet for your liking?
Si ate ko, oh.
Okay.
Not really.
You don't like it?
Or because is it too cold for this
Okay,
time of the day?
try this one. Lalab. Lalab. Are you happy?
Date yung ano, English ko.
What's this? Lalab. What is this? Lalab. It's called ube. Ube. Yung mga damit mo nasa labas na. Yung mga damit mo nasa labas na. Ube.
Pie,
Ube
it's a
pie.
coconut pie. So, sweetened coconut pie.
You know coconut? The one
It's a coconut nut.
it's a giant nut.
It's a giant nut.
When you eat the nut, it's a very good nut.
You get very fat.
So how was it?
Wala lang.
2 over 10. I won't get it again.
Hindi masarap. It's not yummy.
It's hot.
It's okay.
Rate it. Rate it.
No, try the middle part.
Try it with a lot of filling.
Reaction reveal daw. What's that?
It's ube.
Alright.
I like it, but I won't buy it again.
It's a purple yam. Ube.
It's good.
Really?
Good.
You like it more than that one?
Is it too sweet or just enough?
Rate.
Enough?
1 to 10.
Really?
Really?
Have you tried peach mango pie?
10 daw.
That one or mango pie?
Which one do you like more?
Mango pie.
Which one?
Sabi ko, plastic. Diniktin.
Waiting na kayo natin.
But it's too much.
You're gonna
You're so thin.
gain weight like 5 kilos before you go back to the city.
I still need to drive.
Hindi ka pwede ano.
I need to check in. And
Wala ka bang palit.
Pardon.
Mas meron.
Mahal ko siya inigot. Ang pangit ako. Pangit. Guys, hindi niyo feeling food, no? Hindi niyo kinain. Ayoko na.
Uy, hindi kayo kumakain.
Diet pala eh. Is this water?
Naintindihan niya. Naintindihan niya. guys, send gifts.
Sa kanila pala galing.
Okay, the food for me is
Rate.
pagkatapos ko magtatlong pizza. It's 1/10. No, for me, Angel's Pizza is the best. So, 10/10.
Chicken din, sarap.
Chicken is good. Pero ba't parang walang pumatol?
Sarap ba?
Ayaw nila ng Angel's Pizza. Gusto nila Gusto nila Kanto Freestyle.
Wala eh.
Gusto nila Frankie's. How's the food?
Rate it 1 by 1.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Not kumain ka ng madami. Ang payat mo. How about the chicken? You haven't eaten.
Kain ka madami, ang payat mo. Eat a lot. You're so thin.
Wait, I know.
Yeah. Eat a lot. You're so skinny.
Use the word.
Thank you.
Be, may pasok pa kayo mamaya.
Nagplano kayo?
May pasok sila 8.
Ano
Did
lang
you
ba yung
miss
work,
me?
diba?
Ano ba yung work?
Yeah.
Did you miss me?
Pwede naman pumasok, tas login, tas matulog.
Ano work nyo?
Sa kanila yun. Nurse, di ba?
Baka iba yung maturukan, ha?
Airport.
Kumain ka ng marami po.
It means huwag ka kumain. It means you're fat. Oh my God, you're so bad.
Lalagot.
You're so mean. Oh my God. Just gonna kick you out of GC.
At how old are you now? Yes. 24. 23?
Ayaw nyo ng chicken?
You're so young. I'm older than you.
How old are you?
Try. Okay. Bawal sa spicy. Okay, I'm gonna eat it for you. Good luck, night.
You're too young.
Ikaw
Boss, parang
Para sa ito. Napapol na ako Charot. Guys, mas masaya sila sa kabilang table. Mas masaya sila doon. Nilipat na ako. Okay, si Eros magbabayad dyan. Ano daw?
Sila doon.
Wala pa yan tayong pambayad dyan. Ay,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 na.
may gusto pa kayo?
Wala. We're good po.
Sorry dito ko lang kayo nadala. Sorry. Dapat din tayo sa kabila gusto ko ipatry yung temporado.
Para sabay-sabay tayo magkampo.
Nang maging
May paminta? Tamporado naman paminta.
Uy, nakanood ko lang Swear to God, iba talaga dyan.
Hindi na tamporado sa tamporado.
Pero namayabang pa ako noon. Sabi ko, sarap talaga nito, promise. Bakit may paminta? Translate in English. White pepper. White pepper.
Kampo. Kampo.
Kampo means
saging.
soaking. May ganun yung dila. Soaking. Sorry.
I'm a regular translator.
Hey!
Jessica.
Jessica! Okay, vlog. Alam nyo guys, I'm kinda sensitive when it comes to blocking. You know why? Because some people just use it as a joke, right? But some people take it seriously. Who kaya?
How do you feel, boss, when you got blocked?
Huh?
How do you feel?
I feel so pressured right now.
Parang pang ano yan, pang Miss Universe. Ay, hindi. Pang Miss Grand.
Third runner-up. 2022.
Kala ko ba second, ano, safer ka? Huwag ka magala gold medal. But for us, you're number one.
Umiingay yung kabila.
Ay! Hindi pwede, hindi pwede.
Wait lang, ang laki ng isusubo ko. Nahiya ako sa live.
Tanggal angas. Okay.
Sabi, yung chicken hindi na nakagatan. They said, the chicken, I didn't bite na daw. Okay.
Uy, tinachat nila ako, sabi na, ano, enjoy daw. Medyo bitter.
Asan na sila? Umuwi na.
Umuwi sila. Nauna sila sa amin umuwi. Nagpa-sober pa kasi pa ako magdalaga ng lasing eh. Buti na kayo nalawin ka. We got so lucky. We saw a yellow car outside on the sidewalk. We were walking to her like accommodation. Then we saw them. It's Chance's car, and then they rolled down the window and then they said hi. Poor.
Tulog ka ng langit.
Ang hirap.
Hi from Germany daw. In English.
Hi, English Gothenburg. Hello, 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 mga pare ko.
Biyahe mo na.
Boss, tama na! Ayaw ko.
Try mo yung chicken.
Sa'yo. Na-pressure. Paumaga na paubos na yung English ko.
Happy birthday!
Don't eat it if you don't like it. Ano pa rin?
Bibil daw. Can you give me what? My hair, it's kind of hard now because of the... Eros, paid na lahat.
Sinot na lang daw ibayan natin.
Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman. Till when are you gonna stay here? 24th? Really?
Going to Palmi.
Ay, sorry.
I'm saying,
Really?
we don't have enough money to pay for all of the food. We're gonna pay.
No po.
We're gonna leave you here as a payment.
No. Hindi po.
Really? 24th?
Did you already register the fund? Bayad ka.
Ba't sila happy doon?
Happy naman kami sa'yo. Mas behave lang kami.
It's 6 p.m. Ay. Yeah. 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. I think I'm going to ask
Okay, I'm gonna end the live now.
after designer. Why? Because it's okay going. But we don't have just we didn't really register.
No, 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 no. Okay. No, okay. No, okay. No, okay. No, okay. No, okay. Oh, Sandra. Wala ka salit. Ha?
Still thinking. Still thinking.
Pinag-isip. Why?
Wala nang slot?
B, oh. Pag-iisipan niya daw pumunta sa fan meet. Okay lang, sold out na. Hindi niya ako bet B.
Oh, grabe.
Ba't hindi ka pumunta? Kumuha.
Ang saya ng kabilang table. Bakit kaya? Naiinggit ako.
Wala kami sa GC noon. Kaya kami.
Okay. So, gusto mo ba? Ha? Gusto mo pumunta?
Ba't nagbubulungan sila dun?
Grabe
Wait lang daw.
Oy, share daw, guys! Guys, share!
Lahat ba kayo may ticket?
Kami po wala.
Ba't wala kayong ticket?
Kanina ko kung gano'n
Sila yung nag-message sa'yo kanina yata. Kanina nag-message sa'yo. Ba't wala kayong ticket? Hindi daw sila makapasok sa GC kasi daw sobrang strict.
May talent portion daw.
Kailangan talaga strict doon. So, ba't wala kayong ticket? Wala na akong slots ibibigay.
Ala.
Kaya kasi 450 lang eh, sold out na. So, anong gagawin?
Maglulupasay.
Gusto nyo ba?
Iyak na lang.
Next year na lang. Kasi,
I wanna remove my makeup.
sayaw muna ng ice cream, Yami.
Nag-ano na kasi na TikTok. Ba't daw nagagalit si Miss Lou? Lagi naman yan galit. Hindi ba?
I'm not galit.
When next live? Next month?
Next year. Bibili tayo.
Yeah, next year.
Next month.
I'm gonna spoil not. I'm gonna...
Oh, ba't kayo tumiting eh? Yung kabilang table nakikichismis. In English, the other table is...
What? Wala na, nalimutan. Kasi, pinapressure nyo kasi.
Ba't parang ang deep ng conversation nila?
Share naman. Share naman.
Hindi pala maingit tayo. Halika, mag-deep conversation. In English,
Bakit lang pinapressure?
Wala na mag-uumaga na expired na yung English ko.
Hindi na siya lasing. Wala na yung lasing na
Hoy, alam niyo ba yung latest?